How to change your region on Steam. First, open up your Steam account, guys. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click your profile on the upper right-hand side. You want to click this drop down and you want to click your account details. Now here you will see the section here at the top, store and purchase history. And as you can see here, currently show my region of, and as you can see here, it says, if you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update your team. Country, you may be able to update your country. So all you have to do, guys, the workaround to update your region is simply go ahead and get a VPN. So if you're not traveling to a different country where this will be detected, then you simply want to go ahead and get a VPN. And once you connect to a VPN, you just need to change the location of that VPN. Now, let's say I'm currently in Czech Republic and I install and set up a VPN on my computer, then I can easily switch set to you to the United States. And then from there, you can simply open up your Steam and you can simply click Update Store Country. And from here, it will detect and you'll be able to change your region in Steam. That's the workaround that you can go ahead and update or change your region in Steam. It's very easy and very simple. Simply get the VPN install instead of the VPN, connect to the VPN, and then you can go ahead and update your country. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.